Hi guys, this is Mindivan and you're watching HealthSite and India.com. In today's video, I'm going to talk about mood boosting foods. Yes, you heard that right. Have you ever noticed that after consumption of certain food items, be it that favorite chocolate of yours or that cheesy burger, you always feel that your mood has been lifted up? But that sugary, fatty food that you'll end up consuming will not be good for your health. So what if today I tell you some alternative food items that you can consume whenever you're feeling low that will help to lift your mood as well as keep your health in check.
Dark chocolate. Eating a chocolate will always leave you in joy and make you feel more content. Intake of sugar can improve your mood as it is a quick source of fuel for your brain. But don't consume just any other chocolate. Once in a while, you can rely on dark chocolate to lift up your mood as it is higher in flavonoids and lower in added sugar. Dark chocolate stimulates the production of endorphins, chemicals in the brain that creates the feeling of pleasure. Coffee. Caffeine is known to make you active and lift you up immediately. Consumption of caffeine triggers the production of dopamine, which in turn elevates your overall mood. Some research also shows that it helps with depression as well. But having said that, excess consumption of caffeine can go wrong. So always keep a tab on your consumption levels. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds like almonds, cashews, peanuts, walnuts, as well as seeds like pumpkin, flax, sunflower are excellent sources of plant-based proteins, healthy fats and fiber. It is known to boost mood. Some researches even shows that certain nuts such as almonds, pine nuts are good source of zinc and selenium, which is known to improve the brain health and it leaves you energized. Fruits and berries. The more the consumption of healthy fruits and berries, the lower the rate of depression. It's filled with antioxidants that helps in fighting stress. Fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals and has a natural sugar quotient to it that can help elevate your mood. Some researchers show that banana is the best alternative. Vegetables. Vegetables are full of nutrients and minerals. It might be the last thing one would consider when you are feeling low, but the blend of nutrients in vegetables makes it a perfect choice, especially beans, carrots and peas. It immediately energizes your body as well as your mind.
Well, I hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content. Stay healthy, stay safe.